Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the details of the much-anticipated Vivo V40e. Starting with the design, the Vivo V40e features dimensions of 163.7 by 75 by 7.5 millimeters, making it comfortable to hold. Weighing in at just 183 grams, it's lightweight for its size. The build includes a glass front with a plastic back and frame, giving it a modern look while being durable. Plus, it comes with an IP64 rating, making it dust and water resistant, perfect for everyday use. The V40e boasts a stunning 6.77-inch AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and vibrant colors. With a resolution of 1080 by 2392 pixels and support for HDR10, you can expect an immersive viewing experience, whether you're streaming videos or playing games under the hood. The Vivo V40e runs on Android 14 with the FunTouch 14 interface. It's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset built on a 4nm process. This octa-core CPU, featuring 4 high-performance Cortex-A78 cores and 4 efficiency Cortex-A55 cores, promises excellent performance for gaming and multitasking. Coupled with the Mali G615 MC2 GPU, gaming should be smooth and visually appealing. In terms of memory, the Vivo V40e offers 2 variants: 128GB with 8GB of RAM and 256GB also with 8GB of RAM. Unfortunately, there's no card slot for expandable storage, but with UFS 2.2 technology, you'll experience fast read and write speeds. Moving on to photography, the Vivo V40e features a dual camera setup on the back. The primary camera is a powerful 50MP wide lens, accompanied by an 8MP ultra-wide lens that offers a 116-degree field of view. This setup supports features like ring LED flash, panorama, and HDR, ensuring you capture stunning photos in various conditions. The main camera can shoot videos in 4K, and with features like Euro EIS and OIS, your videos will look stable and professional. For selfies, there's a remarkable 50MP front camera with autofocus, capable of recording 1080p videos at 30 frames per second, making it perfect for content creators and social media enthusiasts. In terms of audio, the V40e is equipped with stereo speakers that deliver an impressive sound experience. However, it does not include a 3.5mm headphone jack, which might be a consideration for some users. On the connectivity front, it supports Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/AC, Bluetooth 5.4, and comes with USB Type-C 2.0 for fast charging and data transfer. Powering the Vivo V40e is a massive 5,500 mAh battery, which should provide you with all-day usage. It supports 80W wired charging, ensuring you can quickly top up your device when needed. Finally, the Vivo V40e will be available in 2 attractive colors, royal bronze and mint green. The expected price is around 30,000 rupees, making it a competitive option in the mid-range smartphone market. So, there you have it. The Vivo V40e combines impressive specifications with a sleek design, making it an exciting option for smartphone enthusiasts. If you're looking for a device that excels in photography, gaming, and everyday performance, the Vivo V40e may just be the phone for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech and smartphones. Let us know your thoughts on the Vivo V40e in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.